I'm a giraffe. Did you guys know that giraffes are actually becoming endangered? Save us. Look out for the giraffes. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this boy beat look. This is just what I wear to like go to school most of the time when I'm like rushing out the house. It's like less than 3-minute makeup. It's super easy. So yeah, if you want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching. First things first, I gotta do my brows. Okay, like that's the first step when I'm getting ready. So I take my Anastasia duo brow powder, well, brow powder duo, same thing in granite. This is my shade, and I just do my brows. I fill them in, but since I don't have that much time, I'm just gonna do them very lightly. I know the shape I want, so I'm just gonna add some like hairs in the front, you know. But you know, a very like, see, that literally just added so much by adding so little, you know what I mean? And see, it's very sparse, very like feathery. This is Michaela from the future, okay? Just giving you a little announcement. I'm aware. I know I've been MIA. I know it's really bad, but I just want to tell you this. I am participating in Vlogmas. Okay, I have to say that because if I say it, if I put it out there, then that means I have to do it. Okay, so you guys can be looking forward to that. I am gonna do Vlogmas. This is me holding myself accountable. But anywho, back to the video. Okay, after I do my brows, this is really just like a look in itself. Like I could just leave the house like this if I wanted to, but I'm gonna go a little bit extra. I'm gonna take that same brow powder that I just used and I'm gonna use it on my eyelids. Since I use granite and that's like a darker color, I use it over my eyelids. It just adds a bit more. It's kind of like a smoky wing eyeliner. Next thing I like to do to wake me up and make me look a little bit more ready for the day is I like to add blush. And I put it like right under my eyes and like over my nose in this area because it just gives you like a little sun-kissed look. Makes you look a little bit more bright and alive. And I kind of put it everywhere. This part is optional, but if you have time, you can put on lashes. Today I'm going to opt out and I'm going to just use mascara because it's a lot easier, especially if you're not skilled in knowing how to put on lashes. This is the way to go. I'm just using some random cheap mascara called the Long Lash. I think I got it from Sally's. You can use any kind of mascara, honestly. And I'm using this highlight by Fenty. This is in the shade Hustler Baby. You know, I still got a glow at school. My lip combination, like my go-to lip combination for the day. This is what I use. I use Burt's Bees and the shade Cherry, or it's not the shade, but it's like the flavor or whatever. Cherry lip shimmer. Then I go in with my Rihanna or Fenty Beauty gloss bomb. That's my lip combo. But yeah, and I'm done. That's my full face for my boy beat, a day at school. If you're just going out to run errands, something like really quick, less than 3-minute makeup, like super easy. Anybody can do this look. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave me a thumbs up. If you want me to make a specific video in the future, leave comment suggestions below so that I know what you want me to bring to the table, you feel me? And if you're not subscribed, you should definitely subscribe. Click the red button down below and then turn on the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I upload a video, because why would you subscribe and not, you know, get the notification? That doesn't make any sense to me. I don't know why YouTube did that. Yeah. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.